Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Laura Dove Clark here, and today is my boyfriend's birthday. And so I was looking online for a bunch of tutorials on smoky type makeup, and I influencer type person that I follow named Emma Fleming. She's currently at 132k subscribers on her YouTube channel. If you don't know who she is, she's absolutely fantastic. She does really amazing work on her YouTube channel. I've been watching her maybe for over a year or so, and she does really bomb-ass makeup. So if you guys don't know who she is, you should go follow her. She recently just uploaded a smoky type style. It's like a silver smoky holiday eye, and because we're going into the holidays, she suggests that makeup is more festive towards New Year's, but because it's my boyfriend's birthday and it's the 12th, I'm gonna do it. So her first shadow that she chose was a grayish type shadow in the Alexa Stone with Makeup Revolution. I currently don't have that product, but I do have the sultry Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, which has quite a few really good shades. It's kind of well loved. So I'm gonna go into the color Slate for the gray shadow that she uses on her eyelid. It's a little bit patchy, you guys see that? Oh well, I'm gonna pull it out a little bit. So the next shade she goes into, she uses a black from the Alexa Stone Shadow palette. Like I said, I don't have it. I'm gonna use a small packing brush, the one I got here, and I'm gonna try and place the black. It's called Noir in the Sultry palette as well, and I'm just gonna pack it on and see what happens. I have a few, so we'll see how it goes. So she goes in, back in with the blending brush she had from before, with the gray color still on it. She says she doesn't put any more product back on her brush, so I'm gonna do just that. And she says she doesn't blend it too low into the crease, but we'll see how that goes, because sometimes I go a little too much. What do you guys think? I should have a bit more black. Probably a little bit. I'm gonna go into Pretty Rich by Too Faced, and we're gonna use the color Coal Under Pressure. It's a bit of a glittery type shade, but it is black, so the color for sure I think is a bit more pigmented, but we'll see what it looks like when it's blended out. So for the next step, she goes in with a silver colored eyeshadow. So there is a color named Cyborg in this palette that we are gonna use with setting spray, which is Hydrating Primer Mist Sheer Envy 24-hour Electrolyte blah, 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 by Hard Candy. So this silver-ish is kind of flaking off. Like it's a bit flaky. See it? Well, that's just fallout, but it's a bit flaky. So, and chunky. See that? See that on there? I literally had to use my finger to basically scoop it out of the pan. So that's fine, I guess. But because I feel like it's not enough glitter and not enough really popping much, she used a different type of either loose powder or something like that. So I'm just gonna go in with a silver glitter and see how that works. So I have this glitter from Sephora's last year holiday collection, and I'm gonna use duo glue, and I'm just gonna pat it on my eyes, and then I'll put the glitter on top because I don't know where my glitter glue is, so just use glue, I guess. So I'm going into the Pretty Rich palette again, and I'm going to take a bit more glitter, and I'm going to be using Diamond Life. A bit more dimension to the look, into the glitter. Yeah, that like just stepped it up a bit more, which is nice. Then she cleans up her look, probably using a makeup wipe. And she pops some falsies on, but I like a good wing, so I'm gonna do that. Do these look even? So going in with my liquid liner by LA Colors, which is like literally how I get my cat eye to look so good. It has a super long brush on it. You can see that. And it just helps, like I've been using this for years, so it makes it a lot more easier with my eye wing. So I did the rest of my makeup on my face, except my lips. But I'm going to go into the Aurora Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight palette. I'm going to take Luna, this white color shade, and I'm going to place that as my highlight. I'm going to line my under eye, which I lined underneath my lash line up top, and then I'm going to line my bottom lash, liner, lash. Looks gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to take a small-ended brush. I'm going to go into the color Coal Under Pressure again by Too Faced. I'm going to pack that on my lower lid, my under eye. So stupid. I'm going to go back into that first shade, Slate, in the Sultry palette, using that small blending brush again. I'm going to blend the black out. Does it look blended? Okay. Kind of blending it over a bit. And then we're going to do eyelashes. So I put on some lashes, some lipstick, liquid lipstick, the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in the shade Trendsetter. And then I topped it off with Stila Stale Day Liquid Lipstick in Caramello. And yeah, this is the result of following a Emma Fleming tutorial. I hope you guys like this look. Thanks to her and her ideas. Follow Emma Fleming on YouTube. She's super fantastic, and I hope you guys have a good day. Hopefully this makeup stays all day. But yeah, peace out.